Hey guys, this is Vaibhav Gopal. I'm here to bring you all the latest tech updates on my channel PS2 Tech Studios. If you're interested in tech stuff, then please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.
So today we are going to review the M17R2 gaming laptop. This laptop comes with an Intel Core i7 9th generation processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 with Max-Q design GPU. The display is Full HD 1920 by 1080p, which has an IPS panel. It comes with a 1TB SSD. It has 16GB RAM which runs at 2666 MHz. It indeed impressed me. It is a thin gaming laptop which weighs around 3 kg. The Alienware M17's chiclet style keyboard is absolutely massive, with generous spacing between the keys and plenty of room for a number pad with about an inch space left over on the sides. The black keys greatly enhance the colored backlighting of the LED lit keys and make it easier to see when you're typing in a dim setting. Speaking of those colorful keys, you can customize them in the Alienware Command Center under the FX Hub. Though you still have 16.8 million colors to play with. The 3.1 by 4.1 inch glass precision point touchpad felt and worked great. The bottom corners were nice and clicky, while the rest of the touchpad performed Windows 10 gestures, like pinching to zoom, launching Action Center, and scrolling through the recent tabs. On the right, you have two 3.1 USB ports with another on the left, as well as an expandable gigabit Ethernet jack and a headset jack. In the back, there's a Thunderbolt 3 port, HDMI 2.0, and a mini display port 1.4. The eye tracker is located prominently in the hinge. The tracker allows you to control the computer using only your eyes. After a quick calibration session, a clear blob showed up whenever I happened to be looking on the display. Toby also can function as a mouse of sorts with the ability to launch apps or appear whenever you look, like a regular cursor. Coming to the thermals, this laptop intakes the atmospheric air through the side vents and releases the hot air through the rear vents. I personally don't like this heat dissipation system as my laptop is always hot even when I'm using light applications. Gaming laptops this powerful typically don't have long battery life, and the M17R2 is no different. However, it is one of the longest lasting in its class. This laptop lasted 4 hours on the Laptop Mag battery test, which consists of continuous web surfing over the Wi-Fi at 150 nits of brightness. Yes, the Alienware M17 is a gaming beast, but that doesn't mean it's one-dimensional. Thanks to its overclockable 2.4 GHz Intel Core i9 9th generation CPU processor with 16 GB of RAM, this bad boy can crunch numbers, stream videos, and multitask with best of them. The laptop barely broke a sweat when I opened 40 Google Chrome tabs with Far Cry New Dawn running in the background. So that's it for today, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned, stay techy.